Hello and welcome to the Datsun 510 quick steer knuckle installation video. We already went over these in pretty good detail in the product overview video, but now we're gonna go get these installed on the car. So let's go get there and check it out. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do to install the steer knuckle is you're gonna go ahead and remove the cotter pin. If your front control arms have a cotter pin, ours is the Apex one, so it does. Otherwise, other brands may not have a cotter pin. And then note the orientation of the knuckle, where this side goes in towards the car. Have that in there. Go ahead and install the washer. Then, if you're running the factory ball joint, you can go ahead and torque the nut before installing it to the strut to the factory spec. If you're using our front lower control arm, you can tighten the nut down to 30 to 35 foot-pounds. Once you have the knuckle completely installed, you can go ahead and mount this onto your strut. Sean, this is where I'm gonna need a hand. So next you're gonna go and reinstall the factory nuts or factory bolts, and then torque those to the factory spec as well. Here we went ahead and installed the steering knuckle completely, torqued those guys down, and everything looks really solid. Also, don't forget to grease the ball joints because they do not come pre-greased from our factory. All right, now that we installed the steering knuckle, only thing left to do is to reinstall the tie rod, and you'll find that installation video in our tie rod installation. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you have any questions or concerns.